Hello everyone, my name is Mike Bishop with Gosker, and today I really wanted to showcase our KP30 Easy machine. This machine is about 7 foot tall, 4.5 feet wide, and about 6 foot long. If you're doing switch machining and you have very small parts, maybe some complex features that are difficult to clean, this machine is perfect for that. So we can clean blind holes really well, we can 100% separate our oil, extremely low cost to washing because of our ability to separate like that. As far as what it takes to load and unload the machine too, it's very simple. All we're gonna do is open up the door, pull the clean basket out. I already got my other basket set up. Push that in, close the door, then I start my cycle and I walk away. You don't have any more manually picking out chips, blowing your parts off. So this is extremely helpful for reducing the labor for washing.